Welcome back, everyone. Have you ever found a seamless pattern and felt like the style should be different or the quality was not good enough for your use case? Worry no more because I have found a perfect tool for it. You can change the style, upscale the image using patterned AI. So let's get started. Search for patterned AI and open patterned.ai or use the link in the description below. Next, click Login or Sign up and continue using your Google account. Once you're signed in, click Start Designing. Go to Edit, then Restyle. Or if you have already created an image, go to My Library, open your image, and then click Restyle. Maybe you have the image on your device. In that case, click Upload File. Then select Create Unique Style Variations while preserving composition. You can also upload the image after going to Edit, then Restyle. Also, if you have a favorite image in your library, you can select that too. To mark a pattern as a favorite, go to your library and click this bookmark icon. Next, select the style here and adjust the style strength slider. A lower value will keep the result closer to the style of the original pattern, while a higher value will make it closer to the selected style. Then click Generate, and there you go. But what if the style you want is not available here? For that, you can use the Remix feature. Here under Composition Reference, select the image you want to restyle. Then at the bottom under Style Reference, select the image whose style you want to use. Now click Generate. Out of these 4 images, only this one is perfectly restyled according to our reference. From here, you can download the pattern tile. Let's zoom into it. As you can see, the quality is a little low. Let's quickly upscale it. Here in the Details tab, you can see the upscale option when you scroll down. Click on it. Then choose how much you want to upscale the image according to your needs. There is an upscaling limit depending on the size of the uploaded image. As you can see, I can only upscale this image up to 8 times. Then click Upscale. It will take some time to process. While it is upscaling, let me tell you about a useful offer. If you are a professional designer and want to explore all the features of PatternedAI properly, you need a subscription. While purchasing, use my link to get 10% off. This is applicable to all subscription plans. You can find the link in the description below. Let's get back to the video. As you can see, the image has been upscaled while preserving the seamlessness and style. Let's compare them side by side. You can already see the difference in quality. But what if you want to upscale it yourself or change the pattern manually? Worry not, PatternedAI has that covered too. When you click on a generated pattern, you can see this Vectorize option. Or you can go to Export, then Vectorize. This is a simple pattern, so I am decreasing the number of colors to 2. If your uploaded pattern is not seamless, you can uncheck the Seamless Pattern option. Then click Vectorize. And it is done. You can hide or show the colors you want in this preview. Then you get 3 download options. Download whichever format you are comfortable with. After that, open it in your favorite vector editor and edit, upscale, or export it according to your needs. So in this video, we changed the style of a pattern, upscaled it, and converted into a vector using PatternedAI. Which feature did you find the most useful? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.